everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag Original. And before we get started, if you were not aware, I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is nimities.com. Link is in the description bar down below if you're curious. If not, that's okay too. Anyway, if you like this video while you're watching, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you have not already and you would like to be, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any comments while you're watching, leave those in the comment section down below. All right, let's go ahead and get into my Ipsy bag. First and foremost, it smells really bad. It smells like that plasticky material, and you can kind of see through the bag as well. So this is definitely not my favorite bag. It says Escape on the front, and I dropped it. The bag itself is kind of cute, but the scent is really throwing me off, and the fact that it's see-through is kind of a turn off for me as well. Before I get into the bag, I did get something on the outside of the bag. This is a, what is it, Shop Miss Glam? SL Miss Glam, and this is the Precise Eye E25. There is a weird hair sticking out of it, which seems to be pretty well attached, but that is what it looks like. I do have a couple of brushes from them. When I did my declutter series earlier this year, I did declutter a couple of brushes from them. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and keep this. I do like to have some of those smaller little brushes just to do some crease work. But I'm going to go ahead into the bag and pull out the card. This says July 2020, Take a Break is the theme it looks like. And that is pretty much all it has. It doesn't have any of the products on it, which kind of stinks. So let me go ahead and grab my phone and I will bring up the Ipsy site so that I can tell you about the products. All right, let's start with the brush. This is the Eye Blender Brush E25. It says, bring on the bright summer eye looks. This super fluffy blending brush is perfect for applying washes of color all over, blending shadow into your eye crease, and creating a smooth transition between eye colors. The high quality synthetic bristles are super soft to touch and pick up just the right amount of pigment with minimal fallout. We love a pretty brush in our brush jar. This one has a gorgeous glitter handle and ombre bristles that make it so fun to use. Like all SL Miss Glam's brushes, this one is cruelty free. And yeah, it's cute. All right, let's go ahead into the bag. And by the way, I do like the zipper. I like the color of the zipper. I like the shade. I like that it has a little airplane as the zipper. That's super cute. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. This is right on top. This is from Real Element Practice. And it is the Phytocell Moisture Cica All-in-One Serum. Let's see if it has a safety seal. It does. Perfect. All right. So that is the little container right there. All right. I hope that focused. I don't know if it did, and I just noticed it was upside down. That is what it looks like right there. There we go. It looks like it focused this time. Okay, let's read from the website. This says, the first step to plump, dewy skin, a strong and healthy skin barrier. And this serum is designed to give you just that. See you later, dryness. This serum has serious moisturizing powers. It's made with ceramides, the lipids that make up your skin barrier, to prevent precious water and hydration from escaping your skin. 5 different types of Centella asiatica extract cut down on inflammation and are great for helping soothe skin conditions like eczema and fighting acne. Even though it's super nourishing, this serum won't leave your skin feeling greasy or tacky. This lightweight texture soaks in fast and it will never pill under makeup either. The all-natural and cruelty-free formula is good for your skin, Mother Nature, and our furry friends too. All right, let's go back in the bag and let's pull this out next. This is from Naked Cosmetics. I am going to give this away to one of you guys because it is a loose pigment, and although I'm sure it's gorgeous, I am clumsy and anything that is loose powder has a tendency to get everywhere. I don't even like loose translucent powder. I prefer pressed powder. I'm just not very good with it. So this is the Naturally Nude NN number 3. It is a loose pigment from Naked Cosmetics, and let's tell you what it says. I don't know if it's going to focus enough for you guys to see that, but this says, in case you had any doubts, this all-natural, pro-quality loose pigment is proof that healthy cosmetics are just as effective and gorgeous as the conventional kind. Shimmery Rose Gold is the eyeshadow your makeup bag needs this July. Pack it on your lids for an intense hit of color or shear it out for a subtle wash instead. High color payoff? Absolutely. The pressed pigment texture goes on opaque with just your fingers. No bad stuff here. This good for you formula is made without talc, mineral oils, waxes, or fillers. So, like I said, I'm sure it's gorgeous. I'm just not very good with loose powders. So that is going to come one of your way very, very soon. Let's pull this out next. This is from Hemps, and this is the Citrine Crystal and Quartz Body Lotion. Does it have a safety seal? I can't tell if it's got a safety seal. It does not. Ooh, that smells good. It smells citrusy. I don't know if it's supposed to smell citrusy, but it smells citrusy. So this is a body moisturizer. That's good for putting on after you get sun. All right. So the Hemps Citrine Crystal and Quartz Body Lotion. Get ready for the smoothest skin of your life. This body lotion contains 100% pure hemp seed oil, which is rich in skin-nourishing fatty acids, amino acids, and minerals. Creamy shea butter moisturizes and soothes dry, flaky skin. P.S. This is also great to apply post-shave. A nourishing blend of antioxidant-rich lemon, grapefruit, and orange oils help protect skin from free radical damage and early signs of aging. Just like a highlighter, finely milled quartz dust leaves your bod with a perfect amount of a shimmer to give you a lit from within glow. Not sure I like that. The last time I got something that was supposed to be like a shimmery moisturizer, I looked like I was lit up from space. Just putting a little bit on my hands. It's not terrible, although I only used a very little bit of it. But it definitely looks shimmery. I should have showed you my palms before I put it on, but there is some glitter, but I don't know if that's from this or potentially from my last video that I just filmed. I'm not sure. Anyway, let's go ahead and get the last item out of the bag. This is the Brow Power from It Cosmetics in Universal Taupe. I do like this. I've used this before. It's got a spoolie on one end, and then on the other end it's got a like oval shaped brow pencil. So this is the It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil in Universal Taupe. Right now, natural feathery brows, aka your brows but better, are having a moment, and this pencil will help you get them. No more harsh lines or streaks. This pencil's soft oval tip and built-in spoolie helps you mimic the look of real brow hairs. I have a ton of brow hairs. I just use a pencil to make the shade uniform and to fill in like sparse areas. I just have a couple of areas where my hairs are starting to lighten more than I would like them to. Yeah. You won't have to play a guessing game to find your perfect shade. This universal taupe pencil adjusts to the natural color of all brow hairs, whether you're blonde or black, depending on how much pressure you apply. This baby is in it for the long haul, even when it's 100 degrees outside. The high performance formula is budge proof, smear proof, and sweat proof too. So that is everything in my Ipsy Glam Bag Original. I got the Brow Power from It Cosmetics, which I do like. The Naked Cosmetics pigment, which is going to come to one of you all. The Real Element Practice Phytocell Moisture, which that may come to one of you guys as well. The Hemps Body Moisturizer, and the brush. Overall, I'm pleased with this box or this bag. It's like $12 a month. I pay for it annually, so I do get a little bit of a discount because I pay for it annually. I really enjoy my Ipsy Original. It's probably one of my favorite, if not my favorite, beauty boxes that I still get. Pretty much right now I'm getting Allure, BoxyCharm, and Ipsy. I'm just getting variants of Ipsy and variants of BoxyCharm. But of all of them, this bag is probably my favorite, hands down. So anyway, that's going to be it for today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, a thumbs up. Again, always appreciated down below. If you have not already and you would like to, please hit subscribe. About 60% of my viewers don't subscribe. I don't know why. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. I'd love to hear from you all. Ipsy does so many different variations. If you get the Ipsy bag, let me know what you got in your bag down below. I would love to hear what you got. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!